Alright, so okie doke. I'm gonna try this here boiling water on bumper, see if I can get it out. So I got a pot of water boiling in the house. I'm gonna go grab it and pour it over that whole area that's right in there. That stuff. Now, with any luck, I can push on this side while applying it. Hopefully it gets hot enough to where it will be able to pop back out. And I'm figuring with it being cold enough right now, I don't have to like probably splash it with any cold water. But as you can see from all the beautiful dirt, I haven't messed with it. This will be my first attempt. Hopefully it's my only attempt. We'll see though. Alright, well, here we go. Well, I don't know, I think it kind of came out a little bit. I'm not entirely sure here. But either way, I do gotta go make some more hot water, so. Alright, back again. Got another one in there boiling as well, so I'm gonna try to put the back side too. That actually freaking works, man. You see that? Oh, had to apply a little bit of pressure, but it popped the dang thing out pretty dang nice. Alright then. Cool. We're gonna move on with hopefully trying to get shit back together.